Today I'm eating macaroni. This is ketchup. Just a little bit. It's very hot. I don't know what is going on. One moment it's raining. One moment it's raining and one moment it's hot. A lot of ketchup. I'm sorry I did that, but I like it. Yes. So if you see me developing scales, don't be alarmed. Yes. Don't be. Yeah. I think I put a lot. The flies, enemy of progress. You don't want me to chop. It's a red fish. Remember the other time when I was chopping the angel fish every now and then? Now it's a red fish. I'm very thankful for 132 subscribers. These flies have no mercy. Like, I didn't know that I would have 130. Oh my God. I think the devil is here. Can you imagine? I cannot enjoy life, ordinary life, and I only have one life. So as I was saying before that fly, Rodri interrupted me. Thank you guys for subscribing my channel. Yeah, so thank you for supporting me. And for my return viewers, thank you so much. And my viewers from South Africa, guys, I'm grateful. And guys, this is hell. Hey, I didn't bring an extra plate to put the tons of the fish. As I was saying, eating fish is very difficult. Yes, so thank you so much, for always supporting me. Thank you a lot. I love your comments. Keep them coming. Like, really, keep them coming. My aim is to get 1,000 subscribers this year. So whatever it takes, as long as God is by my side, I'll keep pushing, you guys. I will keep pushing, and I really, really need your support. If you like what I do, smash that subscribe button. Let's grow this channel together. Yes. I'm not going to give up. No, no, no. The time when you don't see me that I don't upload a video, it's either the Wi-Fi is going somehow, because I'm in Namibia, I'm in Africa. You gotta blame the Wi-Fi. No, wow. Like things. My time is moving very fast. Imagine. Maybe I need to eat like a crocodile. Eating fish is not easy. If it was me, I only eat two things: fish and chicken. Red meat is not my thing. Macaroni is about to finish. If you are new here, my name is Felicity. I'm from Namibia. So if you like what I do, smash that subscribe button and join the community. And comment, tell me where you're watching from. Well, these flies, they're terrorizing me. Like they pay rent. They don't buy food. I want my food. What kind of a life is this one now? They're everywhere. I'm sweating. hmm It was raining in Opo. It rained like hell. Stop raining. Later when winter came, it was very cold. Winter disappeared. Now it's hot. I used to think that maybe because there are 4 seasons of the year that maybe they'll give each other a chance. No. Forgive me. 1 month All the four seasons in one. This world is complicated. Guys, the fish is over. Mm-mm. This is hell. I buy the food. I cook the food. The flies come. Ay, Naaman. This is Africa for you, my dear. I need a diploma in eating. By December, you guys must give me a PhD. Anything. Which I'm really trying. Now, December, you must give me a master's degree. Next year, you give me a PhD. Because I'm eating well. I've picked up some weight. Okay, guys. It's 11:39. I'm even sweating. If you like what I do, smash the subscribe button. Let's join the community. And please, 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 when you subscribe my channel, watch my videos. Just watch. Even if you are thinking about something else, or just watch my video and then you smash the subscribe button. Don't just say I sub, I'm waiting. Let's help each other the right way. I'll see you guys in the next video.